Hello guys and welcome to this channel Programming Fever, and in this video I will show you how you can install Pygame latest version with Python 3.11. So first you need to install Python latest version, that is 3.11.4. So first open python.org and then hover over on this download button and then click on this Python 3.11.4. So you can see downloading is start and it's done. So now I will install this Python latest version in my Windows 10. So here you can see Python is successfully installed. Now I will show you how you can import Pygame in Python IDLE. So first let's open Python IDLE. So this is the latest version, Python 3.11.4. Now here I will write code import Pygame. So here you can see there is one error, no module name Pygame. So to remove this error and import Pygame, we need to install Pygame latest version. So Pygame latest version is 2.5.1. so there is one command pip install Pygame that we will use this command to install Pygame in our system. So first open cmd and then paste this command here, pip install Pygame, and then click enter. So now you can see it is completely installed. Now we will try to import Pygame again. So I will write command import Pygame. So you can see now this time there is no error and you can see the version also. So in this way you can install Pygame latest version with Windows 10. So if you like this video, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.